shots, shots,
We want to look at how to prepare making those. And before we start, we have a selection. We have to do like I said, this is our floor. This is one egg. We are going to use it as granite oil, vegetable oil. We'll use to fry it. Now for we to start, we need to what? Measure our what? Flour. Depends on what quantity we are doing. The next time. So, I want to measure it so that it will fry it. So I will try to measure
My name is delicious. I'm doing it. We are in the world class. I'm doing a meeting first. Vegetable oil, and onion, nutmeg, and salt. And my name is I am deliciousness. I will be making pancakes today. First, we have palm oil. Second, we have sugar. Third, we have some flour. and we are making milk base. And the ingredients for that are sugar, oil, milk, butter,
yeast, baking powder, egg, nutmeg, and flour.
Thank you. Yeah. My name is Miss Grace Akintia, and I am from year 2. Today, our class will be making crunchy chin chin. What is chin chin? Chin chin is a popular snack served in birthday parties, weddings, and so on. It is served before the main meal time. Here are some ingredients that we use to make chin chin. First, we have our flour. Then we have water, sugar, vegetable oil, nutmeg, egg, milk. And here are some materials used in making it. First, we have our bowl, our rolling pin, a knife, and our whisker. Thank you.
Shots.